Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody.
May God bless us. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Fitra Awaludin. You can call me Sansan. I'm from 11 Science for Senior High School of to Sumba Besar, West Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. Today, my friends and I went to talk about speech. The title is The Importance of Character Building. First, we knew that character is the key of individual success. From the research in America, 90% firing case due to bad behavior like event possible. Dishonest and poor interpersonal relationship. In addition, there are other research that indicate 80% of a person's success in society is determined by the emotional quotient. Now, my partner will continue the speech.
Thank you, Ahmed. Okay, my name is Rangga Adimalino. You can call me Rangga, and I will continue the speech. The reason why character building is really neat because character building is very important for our lives. But character building very late implement in the world. Why late? Because there are so much factor make people late. The factor is heredity, influence of environmental, physical, and social media. If you have a question, please submit in the comment. We really appreciate that. And thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Berhentikannya bagaimana?
Ini